In this video, we'll show you how to label a package correctly. It's important to do it properly to ensure a smooth delivery of your shipment. To begin, you'll need plastic tape and 2 packaging labels. Put one label inside the package. This way, your shipping carrier can still deliver the package if the outer label falls off. Then, seal the package using the H-taping method. Now attach the second label to the outside of the package. Make sure you don't cover any part of the label. It shouldn't be hidden under tape or placed over corners or seams. That's how you label a standard package. Now we'll show you how to label a different kind of package, like a tube, bucket, or small package. For these types of items, make sure the label is on the largest flat side. It's important to put the label somewhere where it's clearly visible and won't easily come off. After labeling the package, double-check it's secure. And that's how you label a tube or a bucket. Thanks for watching. Explore the shipping channel for more videos.